Hey there, this video we're going to take a look at something very cool. In fact, it's so cool, it's not called a ruler, it's called Kuler, because it's cooler than a ruler. Actually, it has nothing to do with ruler or being really cool, but it is very cool, and it's called Kuler, K-U-L-E-R, and you can see that spelt just there. I've got mine set here. I'm just going to click on it to expand it and bring it out. If you're not seeing this little KU icon here, and if you hover over it, it'll probably say Kuler. Come up to the window menu, scroll down to extensions, and then click on Kuler, and that'll open it up. Alright, now this is a very cool tool, especially for designers, illustrators, anyone who needs a bit of color inspiration. And I'd love this tool, and it's great. It works across all the other programs as well, like Illustrator, InDesign, Fireworks, Flash, all that. So it's great that it's in there as well. You can create your own swatches, and you can gain inspiration from this whole little Kuler community that is out there. And you can see here's the link here. Check this out, adobe.com/products/Kuler. And you can also download, they've got a desktop, I'll just drag it up here, they've got a desktop app here as well for color inspiration as well, so you don't have to be within Photoshop to do it. I'm on a Mac at this point, and you can click on newest, random, blah blah blah, you can most popular, and so forth. So it's very cool. But let's just look in Photoshop here what it actually does and what it is. You can choose basically different themes or color combinations. So if I click on this one here, you can see I've got 5 different colors here, and I can double click on any of them, and if I do that, if you look at my foreground color over here, it then automatically makes the foreground color the active color. Underneath here as well, you can also see the RGB values of it, and also the hex code. So if you wanted to use the hex code in other places, you can copy and paste that as well. If you create something that's very cool, you can also click on Save Theme, which is great as well. You can also upload the theme to Kuler if you've done that as well. Now, if you want to add the colors or a particular theme to your swatches, to your color swatches in here, you can do that by just clicking on the Add This Theme to Swatch icon here. I'll just hover over it so you can read that again. It's very quick. Okay, and yeah, you can mess around with the different values. You can see here I can change it visually with this color wheel, or I can click on the particular color and then change the values like so, and you can see how that moves within the color wheel as well. It's just a great tool, great for inspiration, great for getting ideas, and you can also scan through these other color combinations that have already been put in there by other users. And yeah, it's just great. It's a great little community of color, yeah, I guess color addicts, people who love color. And just, yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. Have a play with it. Use it as you need it within Photoshop, and obviously just the real basics. If you see a color in there that you like, double click on it, and then that'll be your foreground color. And if you really love the whole swatch, click on add the theme to your swatches. So let's say for this one here, I want to add it, and you can see there just up the top here in my swatches, those colors have now been added to my color swatches in Photoshop. So there you have it. Have a fantastic day messing around with Kuler. Hope you enjoy it, and come up with some very cool color themes yourself, and enjoy the what is on offer there by Adobe. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.